Today, you are going to learn how to use text decoration property in CSS. Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials World. Please consider subscribing to our channel for support us. In our previous video, we discussed about external style sheets and how to use them in a proper way. If you haven't watched that video yet, link can be found in the description. From today onwards, we are using VS Code as our primary text editor. If you don't know what is the VS Code is, please watch our video about text editors. Link can be found in the description below. Also, you can find the download link for VS Code below. Now let's go and open up VS Code. Inside here, go to File, open Folder and select our folder called Website inside Desktop. Now in left side, you can see our folder and two files. First, let's go and open up our style sheet. Let's open up our web page as well. Now you can see we already use text decoration property to underline our P elements inside here. First, let me delete this class and remove from our elements as well. Now let's refresh the page. You can see there's no underline included now. Let's go to our H1 and H2 rule over here. Delete this border rule and add text hyphen decoration colon underline semicolon. Now let's save this and refresh the web page. You can see our header elements are now underlined. We can add some other parameters to the property as well. First, we can add a property called line hyphen through. Let's save this and refresh the page. Okay, you can see the line through is here. Next, add overline property. You can see there's a line above the text. And the final parameter in our list is none. And I don't need to explain you what happened from this property. And also we can add multiple parameters as well. Let's add overline and underline together. Save this and refresh the page again. Now you can see both underline and overline are applied here. Okay, let's keep this as underline here. Save and refresh the page. Comment if you have anything to say. Subscribe to the channel would be massively appreciated. I will see you in the next tutorial.